Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you all through IKEA worli, and we are going to be doing three parts of this video. So that is three parts of IKEA. So let's go ahead. I'll show you all around IKEA and we'll continue with the other two videos in the other two parts.
Why? Why?
I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the second part of the IKEA vlog.